Hello from the Manila airport. Now the fun began. I am flying to Caticlan. I'm going to Boracay. Uh, Manila is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. It depends where you stay and what you want to do. But yeah, some parts of Manila are crazy.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
It might be a shock if you are first-time traveler in Asia, but if you visit some other countries here in Asia, you are going to be fine. Has nothing to worry about. So I'm actually flying with Cebu Pacific. We have a few more minutes to board our plane. I'm not sure it is going to be a small plane or a big. I would like to fly with small one, but I'm not really sure. Cebu Pacific is actually flying from Terminal 3, which is terminal for international flights, but just this Pacific airline flying from this terminal as well. We are ready to board our flight. We need to take a bus there. I'm not sure where is our plane. I am already in my seat, plenty of space. And we are ready to
May we
take
request
off.
all guests to stop?
The flight should be approximately 1 hour something, 1 hour 10 minutes I think, not too bad.
Behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Welcome to Caticlan! We are waiting for a tricycle. It will get us to the port. You will pay over there in the counter, but if you want or if you have some extra luggage, you can take either bus or minivan. It's up to you. What do you prefer? The ticket price is 75 pesos per person.
Find it all over the internet that you pay 75 per person if you go on your own and 50 if you go like two of you. But now it's just like all prices the same, 75 per person.
Yeah.
It looks like they will squeeze us into one tricycle, only
Yeah,
four of
it's
us.
four of
So
us.
it's still 75 per person. Does not matter.
you want to go by bus, I think it was 100 pesos, which is not too bad as well. This is a tourist area. Don't buy any ticket outside, nothing outside. Go inside, there is a big sign, tourist. First step is register. There is a number 1 and then you go to number 2. You need to pay environmental fees and then you can buy a boat ticket in step 3. So actually you need to pay environmental fees, which are 300 pesos per person. Terminal fees, which are 150 per person, and boat is 50 pesos per person. Make sure you have a cash with you, preferably smaller pesos, like 100s, 500s. If you actually want, you can book a speedboat, which is more expensive. I did not really check the price, so I don't know. But this is like a regular boat, all even resident they use it, and it's the cheapest option. One important thing: all documents on this 4 step you will get. You need to hold them. Make sure don't lose anything, because then you need to repeat all these steps and pay extra. I was actually worried about this, but it's pretty small to nothing like major, so don't really panic. It's alright, but follow all these 4 steps and then go to boat and you will be perfect. So these are all documents which you need. This is environmental ticket. This is terminal ticket, and these are ticket to the boat. You will show your all document here, and then you just need to wait in line. And this is absolutely the last step. You need to give them another documents, and they will give you a ticket to the boat. And this is your entry to the boat. These are actually your seats number.
This is the name of the boat.
Yeah, and we have a number here. If you need, you can take life jacket. It's up to you. And this boat trip should take approximately 15 minutes. We made it to Boracay. We took e-bike and going to our hotel. Everything is pretty smooth.